Hello everyone, let's solve question 34 of GATE CS1 2025 paper. You're given a code, you're given a C code with a foo function and there's a pointer and you have to predict output basically. The given output of the given C program is. So in order to solve this question, you need to understand what pointers are because without that you cannot really solve this particular question. So let's understand what pointer is. Pointer is a variable that store address of another variable. That's it. With a star, as mentioned here, as you can see here, there is a star. This particular star denotes the fact that z is a pointer to an integer. And if I write and keyword here, that means it points to variable a. Z is equal to and a means it points to a particular variable a. And int star z means it is a pointer to an integer. Okay. Now function parameters. You are given pass by value in C by default, and when you pass a particular pointer, the function can modify the original variable it points to. Okay. So dereferencing of a pointer, star p is equal to x, as mentioned here somewhere in that star p is equal to x. This particular line means that store the value of x in the location pointed by p. x की जो वैल्यू है वो उस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे डाल दो जहां p पॉइंट करे. ठीक है. This is what we need to know. So we declare a pointer z to an integer, and then we declare a and b is at 25, as you can see. Then it is z is equal to and a. So it means z points to the address of the variable. Now z points to the address of variable a. Okay. So basically, P gets the address of A. This particular P is actually now having address of A when you pass it in the point like function. Once I step into the function, you can see there is in star P and in X. So basically, P gets the address of A same as Z because in foo Z comma B, so Z is actually a pointer. So it is getting references star P, and B is a variable which is getting references star X. So int X is actually equal to 25 and star P is actually holding the address of uh, uh, A, which is same as Z, and X is assigned value of 25, which is same as B. Star P is equal to X. Set the value present, set the value at the address. Okay. Set the value at the address pointed by P, which is same as Z. Set the value at address pointed by P, same as like uh, Z, which is pointing because it is A, you can see, to 25. So here, starts pointing to 25 because as mentioned, question जो mention किया है, star P is equal to X means P get assigned the address of A and X is assigned 25. So P get address assigned of A basically, which is same as Z because Z is holding the address of A. Okay. So when I write this, it simply means that star p is equal to x sets the value at the address pointed by p, i.e. a, same as z, to 25. So after the call, a becomes 25. A gets updated to 25. Okay. So when I print a, it actually updates the answer to 25. So the final output is 25. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.